Hey guys, so I'm going to install this new T10 LED ice blue for the park light. So I still have the stock one. It's just a T10 bulb like a normal one. So it emits a yellow color, and on this side it's already busted. So I just plan to change it with this. With this new ice blue. It's not focusing. Okay, there you go. Bulb. So in this 2013 Innova, it's a lot easier to replace the park light because you can just access the bulb real easy compared to the previous model Innovas. So I'm gonna show you how to reach that. So it's just right there. You see that orange socket? So on the previous model it's just behind this area, and sometimes it's hard to reach. So for this, it's just, see that, just rotate it counterclockwise and just pull it out and just take off this stock bulb. So as you can see, it's I don't know, it's hard to focus, but it's busted. So I'm gonna install this new T10 ice blue color LED bulb. Okay, there you go. It's ice blue compared to the stock, and just gonna put it back the same way. Sorry for the camera, it's not focusing, but it's pretty easy, so it's not a big deal. Just put it back like that and turn it clockwise. Okay, there you go. See the difference now? Okay, I'll just turn off my flash so you can see properly. So this is the difference. Stock versus ice blue LED bulb. So I've already ordered the ice blue fog lights. It's two color. It's just bright white and ice blue, so you can switch like in two colors. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and we'll show you how it looks like. So I've removed it and we'll take out the bulb. I'm pretty sure it's very hot right now, so I'm gonna turn off the light and then replace it. Guys, I'm changing it. So okay, there you go. It's already attached, and I'm gonna put it back on the headlight and just turn it clockwise. It's all nice and tight. So guys, this is how it looks like after the installation. Looks pretty cool. Without the camera flash, it's pretty bright though, so as you can see it reflects pretty well. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video.